Hey, what is up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to change the battery of your motor. So make sure you follow along the tutorial, and by the end of this video you should be able to also change your motor battery by yourself. So the first thing is to remove the cover where the motor is located over here. So you first have to remove the cover before you replace it with the new battery. Guys, so make sure you remove this nuts too, the ones over here. Make sure you move that one too. Alright guys, so after removing the cover, this is where the battery is actually located at. So I'm coming to change this battery and replace it with a new battery. So this is the new battery and I'm coming to replace it. Alright guys, so this is how it's packaged. You press your clutch. Right now it's in neutral. See, the battery is not strong enough to start the engine, so it's not able to come. Yeah, so I'm about to replace it with a new battery. So this is the battery. Here is the positive terminal and here is the negative terminal. Positive terminal, negative terminal. So I'm about to replace it with this new battery. I haven't actually done this before, so I don't know if this battery is that good, or I don't know. I'm about to test it out. So let's replace the old one with the new one. So make sure you get your screwdriver, then you see this place. This is where you remove it. So let's remove this nut from there. Make sure this place is off, so put it over here to cut off the power. Then make sure the engine is off, then remove the terminal. Do it for both sides. Alright guys, so after removing the terminal, this is how it looks like. Make sure none of the metals fall or get misplaced, so make sure you handle them with care. So this is the negative terminal. You see the minus there, and the red one is the positive terminal. So right now we are removing the old battery, and we're gonna replace it with a new one. Alright, so this is the old battery. That one is the original Royal motor battery, and this is the new one. I think the new one is a bit smaller, but we'll try it. So just put it over here. Alright, so this is how it's gonna be. Then you're gonna tighten it like this. So this is the negative terminal. So make sure the negative goes to the negative, and positive goes to the positive. Interesting thing is that the new battery actually came with this bolt and nuts, so that is what we'll use to tighten it up. So let's do it. Alright guys, so you can see right here that right now I'm screwing the terminal so that the connection will be tight. Make sure the connection is tight so that they can make good contact. Okay, so now that we have actually screwed the terminals in place, let's test it out and see if the new battery will come on. So first of all, turn on your engine, remove the handbrake, make sure it's in neutral, and turn on the switch over here. Then moment of truth. Alright guys, so the new battery works flawlessly just on the first try. So guys, that is how you replace the battery of your motor. So first, make sure you turn on this side, turn on your engine. Here's the ignition, this small button over here, that's the ignition. So you press it, then it's sparking. Yeah, so it works flawlessly. So guys, that's how you actually change the battery of your motor. So after that, just make sure you use the cover to cover this whole mess up. Then you're basically done with the whole battery installation. So make sure you like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this one, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.